Hi everyone! Today, we're diving into a super important topic in FASTapi development, middleware. You might have heard the term, but why exactly do we need it? Let's break it down in simple terms. Middleware in FASTapi is essentially a piece of code that sits between the incoming request and your actual endpoint logic. Think of it as a gatekeeper or an assistant that processes requests before they reach your main functions and then processes the responses before they are sent back. It's a powerful way to handle tasks that apply to many or all of your API requests, keeping your main endpoint code clean and focused. One of the biggest reasons we need middleware is to avoid repeating code. Imagine you need to perform the same check or action for every single request your API receives. Without middleware, you would have to write that same code in every single endpoint function, which quickly becomes messy and hard to maintain. Middleware centralizes these common operations. For example, logging is a perfect use case. With middleware, you can log every incoming request, its path, method, and the status code of the response, all in one place, without cluttering your endpoint functions. Another crucial application is authentication and authorization. Before a user can access sensitive data, you need to verify their identity and check if they have the necessary permissions. Middleware can handle this upfront. It checks the user's token or session, and if they're not authorized, it can stop the request right there, sending an error response before your endpoint even gets involved. This ensures only legitimate and authorized users interact with your core logic. CORS, or cross-origin resource sharing, is another area where middleware shines. If your front-end web application is hosted on a different domain than your FASTapi backend, browsers will block requests between them by default for security reasons. FASTapi's built-in CORS middleware handles the necessary headers to allow these cross-origin requests safely, making your API accessible to your frontend without headaches. Error handling is also greatly improved with middleware. Sometimes, unexpected errors happen in your code. Middleware can catch these unhandled exceptions globally and return a consistent, user-friendly error message, preventing your API from crashing or sending unhelpful responses. You can also use middleware for rate limiting, which prevents abuse by restricting how many requests a single client can make within a certain time frame. This protects your API from being overwhelmed by too many requests. Adding custom headers to all your responses, perhaps for security reasons or caching instructions, is another simple task middleware can handle effortlessly. Even performance monitoring, like measuring how long each request takes to process, can be implemented with middleware, giving you valuable insights into your API's speed. So, in essence, middleware helps you keep your API robust, secure, and maintainable by abstracting away common, cross-cutting concerns into a dedicated layer. It makes your development process smoother and your code much cleaner. Thank you so much for watching and learning about FASTapi middleware with me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. See you next time.